Now to design the home screen, let's go to the Figma. So on the Figma, if you see that on the top and from the left to right, we are having some padding in the container, and we are having a one text, the headline text, okay, and which has the custom font family that is called railway and the bold and some font size. All right. So first of all, what we gonna do, guys, so here you can see that we are having a home screen, and here we are just having a 0-degree coder text, nothing else. All right. So first of all, inside the view, I'm gonna add a style is equal to styles.container, styles.container, like this. Copy this style name, have a container, and inside that I'm gonna add a one flex is equal to 1, so it will took the whole height and the width of the app. And after that I'm gonna add a background color, background color. All right. And if you see on this background color, what is the background color of the app? It's gonna be white. All right. So the background color is white. So let's click on high fidelity, and this is the color code. All right. So we can have a background color like this, just paste it like this. All right. But and after that we want some padding as well. All right. So let's add some padding. So we're gonna have a padding is equal to 20, maybe looks pretty well. Okay. So if you see that padding is almost 20, looks well or not, I have to check once. Yeah, 20 looks pretty well. So but what I'm gonna do, guys, instead of doing this, writing this background color padding this by hard and rule, I'm gonna create one folder here. Inside the source, I'm gonna create another folder that is called constants. Okay, constants. And inside that I'm gonna create one file that is called dimensions.js. okay, here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write const spacing. Okay, and inside the spacing I'm gonna write extra small. The extra small will be 4. All right, small will be 8. Okay, and the medium will be 16. Okay, and after medium will be 16, and large will be 24. Okay, and extra large will be 32. Okay, and we have to also export this spacing as well. Okay, so we had created one file that is called dimensions.js, and we had created one object that is called spacing. Here we are having extra small, if value is 4, small will have 8, medium 16, large 24, extra large will be 32. Copy this spacing object name, we'll go to the home screen, and here we have to paste this like this, and we have to import the spacing. Okay, so I had import the spacing from the constant dimension spacing dot, and I'm gonna add a medium. Okay, now it's added the medium is padding. All right, but for the background color we are writing this like this, which is not looking pretty well to me. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna create another object for this as well. So I'm gonna create one file that is called colors.js like this, and I'm gonna write const colors. Okay, and here I'm gonna write background. Okay, background, and that color code. So I'm gonna copy this color code from here. Okay, and I'm gonna add this background. Okay, and make sure to export it as well. Okay, now I'm gonna exporting this as well, and I'm gonna add this like this here, colors dot background. Okay, and now here we had added the background color as well. But if you see that for our text we're gonna need a black color as well. So I'm gonna copy this color as well, and I'm gonna add another color that is called black, and the value will be this. Awesome. And now after that in this Figma, if you see that here we are having a placeholder, right? So I'm gonna copy this color code as well, the placeholder text. So I'm gonna write placeholder text gonna be value of this. Okay, and after that if you see here we are having a purple. Okay, so I'm gonna again copy this purple color code, and we're gonna have a purple color code as well. All right, And after that we are having a gray text as well, the gray. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this text, copy this color code. Okay, and here I'm gonna have a one gray color code as well. The gray will looks like this. Okay, and after that we have another color as well, that is called light gray. So if you click on this, this is, I think, still gray color. So yeah, it is still. So we have another color as well, that is called light gray. Where is that color? Let me figure it out. Where is that? Is it that? No. Okay, so we'll do inside the application for that color code. Okay, so we had created a gray color as well. Okay, now after that what else we need? What else? I think that's pretty well. This is all the colors which we had written, we will use further in the app. Okay, now let's go to the home screen component. Here we are having a text. All right, so I'm going to write style is equal to styles dot headline. Okay, and as the place of 0 degree coder, I'm going to remove this 0 degree coder, and here I'm going to use this text, find your suitable watch now. So I'm going to copy this whole text, paste the text here like this. Okay, copy this headline, and here paste that headline text. After that we have to define the font size. The font size is almost 36. Okay, so let's add the font size. The font size will be font size. Had we created any font size object? Let's see. No, we had not created the font size object. So here if I define the font size will be 32. Looks pretty well. Let's see. Yeah, 32 looks pretty well. So I'm gonna create a font size object as well. So let's go to the dimension.js. After the spacing, I'm gonna have another stuff that is called export const font size. Okay, and inside the font size, what I'm gonna font sizes, because here we gonna, okay, let's do font size. Okay, and inside the font size I'm gonna have a extra small font size. Will be, no, I'm gonna use a small font size. We don't have extra small text, so small text will be 12, medium will be 16. Okay, and large will be 20. Awesome, and extra large will be 24, and double extra large will be 36. This is the font size which we use throughout this application. So I'm gonna copy this font size and make sure to export this as well. Now let's go to the home screen, and here we have to import the font size from the constant dimension. Font size will be what? Large. So if you press that, the font size dot large will be 20, and now reload this app. Now you can see that we are getting this large, and if I make it extra large, so it will become extra large. Awesome. Now after that, if you see on the Figma, the color is black. So let's add a color as well. So the color gonna be color is equal to colors dot black. Awesome. Now you can see the black color, but if you notice that the font family is not like that, the font family which we want, and we want double extra large. My bad, again I'm gonna make it extra large here. Okay, now we want a custom font family, right? So how we can add a custom font family?